So we are meeting first time, so please give me some introduction.
Yeah, so my name is Sanjana and
Okay.
I'm a homemaker. I'm living in Delhi and
Okay.
talking about my educational qualifications. So I am
Okay.
graduated and I'm mother of two kids. Simultaneously, I created a
Okay.
channel and I'm uploading videos, English content videos. That's all about me. Yeah.
Okay, nice. That's good. It sounds good. Yeah, actually, I am going to tell you about myself. My name is Rajni, and I am from Himachal Pradesh as well. I am YouTuber and housewife. As far as my education is concerned, I have completed MCOM, so that's it about me.
Yeah, that's nice.
So So please let me know because when you started your journey, related to speaking English, so then, what did you face the problem while learning English?
Yes, sure. So, if I talk about my when I created my channel, so I created my channel last year, okay,
Okay.
but that time my channel name was Kids Creativity because
Okay.
that time I posted my kids video only. Okay, so that time I posted my kids video just for amusement and fun. But
Okay.
before 4 months ago, I realized that I have to do some thing for myself, and
Okay.
also I would like to learn this language because I passionate about this language since my childhood. So that's
Okay.
why. And after before 4 months ago, I change my channel name. Let's learn English with Sanjana. Then I
Okay.
posted English content videos on my YouTube channel. And
Okay.
if I talk about my speaking part, so yeah, I started before 1 month ago. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Nice.
and I face problem when I speak in English in front of anybody. So I face like fumbling, and I forget
Right.
past tense sometime, not many time. Yeah, so these kind of problems I'm facing, but day by day I'm improving.
Yes, I
Yeah.
think this platform is very good for especially us because I don't have any partner even environment. But since when I am I am taking the some session with the help of audio call, video call, so I feel something like this I am getting improved. So I think this is a very good way to learn English.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
So I also want to know about your English journey. When did you start your channel, and what kind of problems you faced?
Yes, actually, when I started my journey related to speaking English, because as like you, because I'm very passionate about this language, I wanted to learn English since childhood, but that time I couldn't learn English because of some reason. So after
Yeah.
getting married, I got chance to learn English. So then I decided I should learn English. So as well, I started creating the channel. So when I started my journey, related to creating the channel, so that times I uploaded the video as a solo video. Solo
Okay.
video. I give the suggest how to learn English without partner, without environment. So then I decide, then I, uploaded the video as well. I had lots of practice. So, and somehow I started my journey as a speaking English as my, for my YouTube channel. So that's how I started. And I think I have taken some session with the help of audio calls. So after that, I upload the video. So I think, yeah, that's how I started my journey.
Okay, okay, that's great. At least these kind of you are improving your speaking skills, right?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
because I feel something like this, I'm getting improved.
yeah, yeah.
But these
So now
times I
this time, yeah,
Yes, because these times I am facing some problem because when I started speaking with other persons, so that times I, think in Hindi and then I translate in English. So this time I am trying to remove this problem and I am trying to speak directly without thinking. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think something like this I am getting improved, and definitely I will be perfect. Okay,
Yeah.
nice. That's definitely you will be perfect. Actually, when you have a courage, I think determination to learn this language, so definitely, yeah, you will be
Yeah.
perfect. Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
actually, ma'am, this times, every learner have a problem, because when I started learning English, so other peoples are making the fun about
Yeah. Yeah.
us, so that time
Yes.
I can't speak English. So can you tell me some tips how to remove these things, and how to ignore this thing while speaking English?
Yes, yes, sure. So, when I'm talking about myself, when I speak in English with my kids, so my husband is also making fun of me. But,
Okay.
and also he declined me that he don't upload a video, don't talk others. But I
Okay.
don't listen him because I want to do this. Because
Yes.
most important thing is that what you want to do in your life, what you want to achieve in your life, right? So this is the
Yes.
most important thing. And if we don't give importance ourselves, right, so nobody give us important to us,
Yes,
right?
exactly. You are right.
Yeah.
Actually,
So
initially day it happens, because when you put the efforts to everything, so other people's make the fun. What are you doing? Why are you doing? So so that time every person humiliated,
right, right,
to
right.
us. So because that time nobody appreciate you, and all the time they try to mock to you. Okay,
Yeah.
so I think this is a very 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 wrong thing,
Very
and
common.
because
Yes.
yeah, because this thing should be avoided.
Yes, yes, you
And
just listen
go ahead
yourself.
yes, go ahead your speaking journey, your aim. So definitely you will be perfect, because when I started my journey, so that times any people say something like this, said something like this, why are you learning English? Because you are
Right,
married person, and so this times why are you learning English? But no, because this is my aim, and I want to get the I want to get everything, and I want to I want to something like this, because everybody knows me.
yes, yes. And
So that's
also
why I'm learning English, yeah.
and also if we learn this language, so our channel also grow, and then definitely our channel will monetize, and we get independent women, right? We will become
Yes.
independent
Yeah,
women,
yeah,
right?
exactly. You are right.
Yeah.
Because I want to be a famous person, because I feel something like this. Every person knows me, and because about my language. Because this times I am very hard working, for this language. Because this times I am here only hard work. Without hard work, I couldn't do anything.
Yes,
So
yes,
this
and you are
times,
consistent in your journey, that's why.
yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So
Okay.
I also want to know, in this time, are you facing any verb forms problem? Like I'm facing second form of verb problem, right? Past tense.
Okay.
Okay, so are you facing this problem or not?
No, because this times I'm not facing kind of this problem, because this times I am only facing, because this problem, as I mentioned you, because I
Mhm.
translated English to Hindi in my mind. So this
Yes,
problem I want to remove. But yeah,
I
no, actually, if you are facing this problem, so please you should have the lots of practice.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
because
you are right.
practice is very important, and when you are free at your home, you don't have any partner with whom you can have lots of practice, so you can practice with yourself. You can create any past story, and then you can translate English, and
Yes,
you can
yes.
express with yourself in front of mirror.
Right, right.
I
I
this is
also
a
use this. Yes.
Yeah, because this is a very good way for improving English, and I have experience, because when I started my journey, so that time I used this way. So I feel
Yes.
something like this. That's how I started speaking.
Right, right. Because
Yes.
speaking is the most important to learn anything. right? If
Yes.
we learn any English, yeah, and other language, so speaking is must.
Yeah, English is where I think speaking, I say something like this because when you are interested to learn English, you should you should learn four concept related to English
English,
as
yes,
a
yes,
speaking, watching, reading, and writing. But
yes.
according to me, first of all, you should learn English. I not learn, sorry, listen. You
Listen,
should
yes,
listen more much listen, and then you can start speak as
yes,
a
yes.
you can learn, you can watch like child because you have a good experience because you have a two children.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am, because you said something like this, you are facing this problem because when you speak in the past, so that time you get stuck.
yes, yes, yes.
So you
Because
can,
just of lack of practice, right?
yes. So you can tell me your past story. So you no, actually, please leave it this topic. You can tell me as a fake story in the past because yesterday I was in my room and then suddenly I decided I should go to the market and then I went to the market. So kind of this you can express.
Oh, okay.
So
So, yes, yes.
so ma'am,
Go ahead.
you can have the practice like this and definitely you should remove this problem.
Thank you for your suggestion, and I will do this also. And now I'm trying. Okay.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Yes.
So yesterday I got wake up,
Yes,
right?
I got up.
Uh,
Yes,
uh,
yes,
I I woke up at 7 o'clock. Okay. Then
yes.
I went to my washroom, and got fresh and brushed my teeth. I took bath, and then I get ready to worship to God.
Okay.
Okay. After that, I went to my kitchen. I prepared meal for my family. After some
Yes.
time, I take rest. Then I prepared momos for my stall because this is my daily routine. Okay, it
Okay.
takes 3 and 4 hours. Okay, after that, after 3:30, I took one session yesterday,
Okay.
and then before after 5 o'clock, I went to my mama's house. Okay,
Okay.
then I
Actually, actually,
yes. No, no, no. This is a past story which is in which have done in yesterday.
okay, okay, okay. So yeah, please continue. This is a correct sentence because so that time you should past indefinite tense because
Yes,
when you tell your past story this time it happened with me and I went to there, so that time you can use past indefinite tense.
yes, yes. Just because of I'm saying that in past tense I'm making lot of mistakes, and that time I
Yes.
stuck my mind. Right?
No,
If you give
actually, yeah. You are right, because every person make the mistake. Even I am making the lots of mistake, while speaking English. But that time, because during the conversation, I realized this times I am making the mistake, and then I will I will correct this mistake, and then
yes,
after completing conversation, and then I check my mistake, and then I think next time I will not I will not make the mistake. I think this
yes,
is a
yes,
good way, and please don't think about any mistake. Only express your feeling, and please keep in mind only this thing because this times I am speaking in present time, present time
yes,
and about present time. So that time you can express only present indefinite tense, continue tense, and perfect tense.
yes,
So
yes,
because
yes. Actually, yes,
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 because when you tell in about past, past
yes,
time, past period,
yes,
so that time you can express a past indefinite tense, past continuous
Past
tense, and
simple.
past
Past simple.
perfect tense.
Yes,
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 because
yes.
yeah, I think this is a very big problem, because
Yes,
if if you have a good knowledge about tense, so
yes,
you
yes,
can speak very easily, you know
yes,
and so I think all the people say something like this: what is the important grammars
yes,
important for learning English or not? But according
yes.
to me, grammar is important because this is our second
Very
language, not a
important.
first
Very
language.
important. Yes,
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 so that time you should learn only tense and passive. This is a
yes,
very important. And after that, you can learn another things, related to
yes,
grammar. Grammar has lots of concept as a
yes, yes.
prepositions, conjunctions and narration.
Anything.
Yeah, kind of this concept, grammar has a lots of. So firstly you should learn tense and passive. I think, according to me, you have a good command of grammars related to tense and passive, and after that you can start speaking. And another thing, please don't think about any mistake, because this times I'm making the mistake, and I don't know people, what
Don't.
I think, what
Yes,
will think about me,
yes,
peoples.
yes,
So that times,
yes.
I am so, because even this times I am not worried about people, I am not thinking about people's, only express my feeling, whether it's a wrong or right, I don't know, only
Yeah,
express
it's a
my
good thing.
feeling. Yeah. So I think this is
Yeah.
a very good, and as well your fluency will be increased.
Yes, and because
Yes.
just because of lack of practice, because I have no time because of my two kids and my
Okay.
household chores, as well as I'm helping to my husband, and
Yes.
so that's why I'm
I can
taking practice
understand. I
only.
can understand very well. Yeah. Please keep the practice and to speak, to speak
Yeah.
with the help of audio call or audio call as a video call. You can
Yes.
speak with yourself, you know.
Right, right.
I think
Yes,
this doesn't matter. You don't have any partner.
yes, you are
Okay,
right.
so you can speak, because when I initially days when I started my journey, so that time I didn't have any partner, and because that time I asked every person, please could you help me for improving English, because I wanted to improve my communication skill. But that time
Yes,
I know, because nobody have a more much time to give to other
yes,
person.
yes,
So
yes,
that time
yes.
I decided I should have the practice with myself, and definitely I will be perfect. But this times I can speak English well, but I'm not up to the mark, but I can manage every
Yes,
situation.
yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think this is a not big deal. Okay. This is a not big deal, because
Yes,
when you decide, because I have to, I have to achieve this thing,
mhm.
and another thing, you have lots of effort, you know.
Yes.
So definitely you will be perfect. So nobody stop to you.
Yes, sometimes our viewers they correct us if they know, though they know well English, so they correct us, and I make very happy that they are correcting me. At least they are doing a great thing. They are improving our English, right? Like they are
Yes.
commenting, and yes,
Okay. Actually, you are learning grammar or not right now?
yes. Right now I'm learning grammar. Right now I'm learning. I'm working on my grammar this time.
Okay. Yeah, grammar is very important.
Yes.
According to me, because I know, because I want to drive the car, but I don't know how to drive the car.
Right.
I don't know. I don't know, because this is I think, a this is a part of a car, you know.
Right. Right.
Totally, I don't know. But even though I want to drive the car. So
Yes.
you can understand very well, you can, I think, mature person without knowing the knowledge about
Yes.
car.
Yes.
So how to drive the car? So you can say like similarly this thing, without
Yes.
grammar we can't speak English.
Right, right.
Yes.
Okay, so it was nice conversation with you. Thank you for joining me.
Okay, thank you.